Hey guys, I was watching a Disney show. Yeah, I kind of like them. Anyway, this lady or girl, let's just say, was telling a story that her grandfather used to tell her. And it was about these two bears. And the two bears represent the good and the bad in her. There's a bear that does good, has everything is good. He's happy, he's loves people, he's always looking out for people. And then you got the bad bear that's doing, digging on people, maybe hating people. Just, you get the point. But what I found interesting is that, according to her grandpa, when you start off and you're little, those bears are little. And you're basically ran by the good bear. And it's only by your environment and what you hear either your parents, grandparents, siblings, whatever say, it creates and feeds the bad bear. So now you have this good bear and bad bear fighting back and forth. And, the interesting part is like, so if they're in this fight, which one's going to win? Well, that depends on which one you feed. If you tend to want to go towards bad things, you're going to feed the bad bear. If you start looking at positive things, you're feeding the good bear. So, either way, feed that bear one way or another. Later, guys. Hit the follow.